Hey guys, Dave the MMP back on YOLO for a little sailboat DIY fun. So this weekend I'm going to do some varnishing. I've got a load of wood in the cockpit, and it's been probably 4 or 5 years since it's been varnished. I'm guessing. I've never done it since I've owned the boat. So let's take a look. So here's the varnish on the wood. This part's gone right down, full thickness, chipping off. Got some Dorado boxes here. They're all kind of weathered and going gray. So I'm going to take all this hardware off and even up here on the cabin. There's a sail bag that hangs here. My mic hangs here, and that's going a little faded out. The side's not bad. It's pretty well protected by the Dodger. The same thing on this side. There's a sail bag that hangs here and protects it, but I can see the weather line here. And this side's not as bad. It's a little green, needs to be cleaned. Some of this hardware needs to go. I got some new cup holders, stainless ones, to replace these plastic ones. But same thing with this Dorado box. It's kind of flaky and peeling off, kind of cracked. Talked to the guys at Total Boat. I'm going to use Total Boat marine finish on this thing. This one here. And they also said recommend that I sand down those Dorado boxes and put some 6-ounce cloth on it and put some epoxy on it and then varnish over the epoxy. So I'll probably try that and see what happens. Okay, so that was the challenge. I wasn't expecting that. There was a lot of bolts in here, a lot of hardware. I thought, oh, I'm just going to blow the hardware off. There's a bunch of screws that had nuts on the back of the cockpit combing. Um, it wasn't an easy job. This one here, I basically had to twist it right out, cut the head off, and pull it out. So this was a little more than I was expecting just to get the hardware off. So it's been a couple hours, and I've got my handy full face mask respirator and my random orbital sander. I've got my rigid backpack vacuum in the back. I'm going to hook it up to the sander and see how this goes. Okay, so full fast full face respirator, and I just put the particle filters on. Not going to do the varnish yet. Random orbital sander, and I'm going to hook it up to my vacuum. And here's all the hardware that came off the cockpit combing and all the tools that I needed to get it off. So mostly the cordless drill, but I ended up getting my finger a couple times. So eventually I had to resort to the pliers and the side cutters to cut a couple of these screws off. And they're all stainless, so they're tough as nails. Let's see how the sanding goes. All right, first pass on the sander. I can see some areas where There was some hardware. Looks like the last guy varnished around the hardware because it's got a bit of an edge around it. Most of this is coming off. It's a little bit still down to the bare wood. I'll have to get some of that off, and I'll have to try and feather this out. It's still coming off. Might have to use a scraper. Some of these areas I'm definitely going to have to use a scraper on it. Some of these areas are going to be really tough to get. I'll never get the sander in there, so I'll have to just hand scrape it and block sand it. Okay, so sanding, cleaning, about 2 more hours. So I've been at this for about 4 hours. Let's take a look at what it looks like. So here's the cockpit combing on the starboard side. It's looking pretty good. I've got this all taped off and ready to put some varnish on it. So that looks pretty good. The boxes are still a little sketchy and they need to be trimmed up a little bit. This side, not as nice as the other side. It's still got a big, I've tried to feather the old varnish and we'll see what happens when I put the old varnish on top of, or the new varnish on top of the old varnish. The box is about as good as I can get it without tearing it off. So the rest of it looks pretty good. You know, this is all protected by the Dodger. So I didn't do this panel where my compass is. There's a little section up here that's a little rough. So I think I might end up replacing the wood on that. So we'll see what I do with that. All right. Well, a couple more hours and the cockpit combing is all varnished. One coat. So probably what I'll have to do maybe in a day or two is hit it again with a little bit of sandpaper and give it a coat number two. Let's take a look. So bulkhead up on the coach house roof. It looks pretty good. And starting to dry on this side. It's in the direct sun though. Still kind of black on that Dorado box. I don't know, I might have to make some new ones. This side, it's looking pretty good. Dorado box is still a little dark though. And I'll probably have to make 2 more. And the rest of it's all looking pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's the first time I've varnished wood on a boat. Turned out pretty good, I think. Okay, guys, that's it for me. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like down here, subscribe, and we'll see you next weekend for a little sailboat DIY fun.